Law of contract. Contract creates a legal obligation, a right in one person and a corresponding duty imposed on another person, which derives its force from agreement between the parties as distinguished from various other obligations which are imposed by law. Rights may be divided into rights in rem and rights in personam. In general, a right in rem is available against the whole world. Such, for instance, is the proprietary right of the owner of an immovable property which is good against the whole world. A right in personam, on the other hand, is available against a particular person or set of persons. On the variety of rights which belong to this category, rights created by contract constituted as an important class itself. So, we'll go to the very provision of contract as we found under section 10 of the Indian Contract Act, which defines a contract as all agreements or contracts if they are made by the free consent of parties competent to contract for a lawful consideration with a lawful object and are not hereby expressly declared to be void. Such contracts is required to be made in writing or in the presence of witnesses or any law relating to the registration of documents relating to such contract. So, generally contract means all agreements and all such agreements between the parties, and it creates rights on both the parties who enter into a contract, and such rights are right in persona. That means it creates right on specific persons or specific group of persons. And if such an agreement is made, it requires certain elements as defined under section 10. So, it requires free consent, then lawful consideration, lawful objects, and in a written form, presence of witnesses, and also required registration of such documents relating to contract as provided in specific cases of contract or agreement.